we get into winter months, it's really common for our lips to start to feel really dried out and to look for products that can help hydrate our lips effectively. Most of us are familiar with lip balms or products that are designed to add hydration in addition to an occlusive layer to physically block or protect our lips from the environment around us. All of these products rely on us to use them routinely and avoid licking our lips too much, because the constant tendency to lick our lips can lead to evaporation of saliva from the lips that can ironically dry the lips up further. So we want to reduce this tendency by keeping them hydrated in such a way that you don't feel the need to constantly lick your lips. Sometimes as the winter progresses though, many of my patients will say they get dried out a little too quickly, and this can be aggravated by various products we might be using, whether it be anti-acne products, medications by mouth designed to treat acne such as Accutane, as well as anti-aging products that work by drying or exfoliating the skin. When we're using those products on our face, it's not uncommon for them to make their way to our lips, which can, in that thinner skinned area, lead to chronic exfoliation and peeling of the lips. The other challenge in the winter time, or in just cooler months in general, is sometimes we start to get congested and start to breathe through our mouth when we're sleeping at night. So if we tend to sleep with our mouth open at night, it's common for saliva from inside of our mouth to migrate its way to our lips and to the corners of our mouth, and that can lead to a condition called chylitis, which is chronic peeling or dryness of the lip skin itself, or even just along the corners of the lips, and we call that pearlash. Sometimes this can also be complicated by yeast that lives inside of our mouth that comes out and actually propagates in the lips too and irritates or inflames them. This is where we find that there's an important role that other products on the market can help get us through the evening, so that overnight our lips can repair themselves, protect themselves, and be ready for the next day, so that you don't feel that chronic tendency towards peeling or chapping of your lips. So what is a lip mask? So let's break down what a lip mask actually is. A mask in cosmetic terms is a product that's designed to provide an occlusive barrier between your skin and the environment, so that there's a medication or a treatment between the mask and your skin for your skin to benefit from prolonged contact over a period of time where the environment can't impact it. In that sense, masks are ideal for overnight usage because you have a prolonged window of time where you don't have to worry about them coming off, and you can let your skin benefit from that overnight. So lip masks are no different. Lip masks are products that are designed to form a barrier on your lips, hydrate them with ingredients that are designed to add moisture or hydration to the lips, while also providing a barrier, an occlusive, so that the environment around them, whether you're a mouth breather or not, does allow you to actually heal in overnight. Most lip masks I've come across will have occlusive ingredients like petrolatum or beeswax. They'll have hydrating ingredients like panthenol, coconut oil, jojoba oil. They're also likely to have ingredients that are designed to act as what we call humectants, which are ingredients that are designed to draw moisture into the product. These would be things like sugars. They may also have ingredients like shea butter or honey, which have both humectant properties, so they draw that moisture into them, as well as occlusive properties to protect the skin overall. In terms of the best vehicle for lip masks to come in, lip masks can come as balms, they can come as ointments, they can come as sheet masks. Balms can have that more of that barrier quality, that occlusive quality to them that can be very helpful when you have that prolonged window of time where you don't have to worry about them wiping or washing off. Ointments do spread easier, but they don't tend to last on the skin as long as a balm, but they can hydrate more effectively. So having a consistency that's somewhere between a balm and an ointment tends to be ideal. Sheet masks can work, but they can be a little awkward. They're designed to be applied for about 15 to 20 minutes. But I find that sheet masks, practically speaking, can be really hard to integrate into your daily routine. There's some products out there called lip scrubs that can be really tempting to use, and I can understand using them occasionally if you just feel like there's a degree of roughness to your lip skin that you're trying to navigate. So I do find that when people choose a lip mask on a routine basis, that can often hydrate that dry skin of the lips a little bit easier, so that when it does peel or shut off, it doesn't feel raw or sensitive underneath it. So I don't tend to favor lip scrubs unless you're getting ready for an event and you just feel like applying lipstick is hard to apply evenly because there's some peeling or dryness that it keeps attaching to. I get that there's certain circumstances when it might make a lot of sense, But in terms of routine, I'd say it's probably better to avoid lip scrubs and only use them when you absolutely have to. Stick with lip masks overnight and lip balms during the day to protect and hydrate the lip skin so that you don't even find yourself in that position of getting that dry, peely skin you might have to address later. Also remember there's certain ingredients you might want to avoid when it comes to lip masks, which would be things like menthol. Sometimes products, especially designed for the lips, will include menthol because it gives a little hint of a kick where you just feel like it's working, and something that can be added for marketing. But that menthol can aggravate or irritate the lip skin, as can other ingredients like peppermint. So always remember that these things can be used for lip plumping qualities, but I try to avoid them when you're looking for reparative properties of the lips. You want to use a lip plumper for an occasional benefit, I understand completely, but you want to be ready for the peeling and shedding of your lips that could occur afterwards. So using a lip mask that evening afterwards can help repair the lips before they get too inflamed or damaged.